I'm not going in that basement.
But you have to. Billy's down there.
Not my problem.
Okay. Mom, are you gonna go? I'll take that as a no. Well, let's all hope for the best for Billy. What the heck was that?
Ahoy, villagers!
Billy? I thought you was in trouble.
No, Michael Myers helped me.
Michael Myers?
Yeah, I forgot he lives in the basement too. Interesting. What kind of basement do we have? Filled with freaks of nature. Oh, who said that?